Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today's August the 13th, 2022. Anchor, man, take a look at that. Look at the price move in Anchor over the last 3 days. The market has completely exploded in price, and needless to say that we were already in position expecting the market in Anchor to do just that. So welcome, everyone. We're going to talk about, can this cryptocurrency continue to rise? Is it going to continue to go up in price? Because if so, then we are still sitting pretty. If not, we may want to jump ship before the ship sinks. Now, if you guys want to join me, welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. If you don't know, I come through and I produce these videos to show you all that we can predict prices and we can be in position to where we can profit more often than we lose. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel, because this is one of the best ways for us to be profitable in the cryptocurrency space, and that is by predicting where prices are going to go. I mean, you guys can see it right now in front of you. I did a video in Anchor on July the 18th. I did a video telling you all that I was looking for Anchor to move higher, and it did. Look, so we did it right here on the 18th of July. The market in Anchor already in 2 days almost came all the way up here to our ultimate TP price. You guys can see that on the 20th. So 2 days into the video, the market in Anchor almost took out a whole price target. That would have been fantastic. But you guys can soon see that on the 21st, all the way down here to the 26th of July, the market came down. But then that's when the buyers came back into the market and exploded the price in Anchor all the way up there to around 58.59 cents on August the 10th. Congratulations to you. I want to say kudos, and you did a wonderful job if you predicted the same type of movement. We was already here. 20%. We had an opportunity to grab 20% on the 20th of July and definitely again on the 10th of August. Right there. 20%. Now, let's say that we're still into the play now and we wanted to get out the market because we can see that price in Anchor is coming down. We'll still be in profit. 57%. Simple. All right, so let's get rid of it. Now let's talk, because we need to see if the bullishness is still here, because we saw a monumental move higher in Anchor following August the 10th to August the 11th. The market ran up 90%, and now we can tell that sellers are still dominating the market in Anchor. They're still here because the price is coming down. So following this particular day, 90% run up, the market in Anchor has already fallen. Let's see. From the high of August the 11th to August the 13th today, it has already lost 22.5%. So what we need to do, we need to figure out how low can this market in Anchor run, right? So already, I'm going to zoom out the price chart because I want us to notice where could we possibly see buyers approach this market in Anchor again. Okay, so first things first, let's clean up this chart, because we already can tell that the market in Anchor has already confirmed the trend, right? So we know that we are still trending higher in the grand scheme of things. The market is still bullish in that sense. But now, since we saw the market run up almost 100% over the last couple of days, we need to try to figure out, okay, how low can the market move now, right? We need to see where could the buyers be positioned to keep this market in Anchor from continue to fall. So it's going to be right here around 0.042 cents, probably around this area here. I'm going to hold it there. Okay, I think it's going to come. The buyers are going to try to hold the market in Anchor right around 4 cents, maybe a little bit higher than that. Now, we understand that the current move is down. Okay, that's the current move, because all of this volume and where the market closed in Anchor on this last 2-day price bar tells us that, yeah, people took some profit, right? We saw a market run up 90% in less than a day. Of course, you need to come in and bag some of that profitability out the market that's currently ongoing right now. Okay, so that is the current idea, is that Anchor is going to continue to trend down. So we need to figure out how low will it go. This is Anchor right now on the 3-day chart. And again, we saw a climactic amount of volume come in Anchor. Like, we haven't seen this much volume in Anchor since this particular 3-day price bar in November of 2021. It's been that long since we've seen the market become this active. So you guys can see At that moment in time in 2021, Anchor was trading around 18 to 22 cents, right? But you guys can see the result. The market completely fell off a cliff. Are we going to go through that same process again? That's why it's going to be important for us to see where the buyers are located. Because if the buyers step in quick, then we're not going to see the same movement that we saw back in 2021 to where the market Anchor completely fell off. Okay. This is Anchor right here on the 5-day chart. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to break this down on a smaller time frame on an intraday basis and see how weak the market really is in Anchor. Okay. So you guys can tell that yes, we are in a downtrend. There's no buyers coming to the market as of right now in Anchor. We need to wait and see where are they. Yeah, because this market here is still giving us a lot of weakness in Anchor. People are still trying to take the bag in Anchor right now. Okay. This is what these hourly charts are showing us. So as of right now, I would not be trying to come in and buy this currency yet. We need to determine how low can this market go. Okay. Because the market is still reflecting weakness to us. So right here on this 9-hour price bar is definitely reflecting that the market here in Anchor is still weak. Now the hard part is that the market in Anchor hasn't been trading up in this area since May of 2022. So we're trying to determine where are the buyers. Buyers may come in around 4.5 cents. Let me see on the 11-hour. Yeah, I don't like it neither there. 13-hour chart. Let's do the 15. Yeah, so I still think the market in Anchor is going to continue to trend lower. Okay. I still think it's kind of weak right now. So let's go ahead and do this here. Let's see what the difference is. If it's a big difference, we'll go ahead and go forward with the price prediction of seeing the market go lower. The first area that I'm looking for the buyers is going to be, it's only about 8%, almost 9%. It's not bad for us to try to determine and see the market and Anchor come through. For the buyers to come through and convince us that they're really positioned there, because if they're not, then we're going to come all the way back down like to 3.5 cents, maybe. Yeah, 3.5 cents, 0.036 as well. So let's do this here. We're going to go ahead and play that. We're going to continue to expect the market in Anchor to go down. Okay. We're literally trying to wait to see the buyers. Okay. Because if we see the buyers come in quick, then we understand that this movement in Anchor is going to continue. So right now, the trend is down, right? And here we are. We're just going to wait to confirm that the buyers are holding price in Anchor. And then we could come back in and switch and play the long side or the buy side of the market, expecting the price to go up. Because if it doesn't, this is what we'll get. Breakage to the downside below 0.042, and we'll continue to trend down until maybe 0.036 to 3.5 cents. That's the next outcome that we can possibly see in Anchor. So I'm going to do that. We're going to play the weakness, and we're going to look for the market in Anchor to dip. Not necessarily crash, but come down a little bit. And we're literally just trying to wait and see how low the market's going to go before the buyers step in. Okay. So that is it. This is the newest price prediction in Anchor. Can we continue to see the price rise? Not right now. I mean, the market already telling us over the last 3 days that currently sellers are running the yard. They're controlling the price movement right now. Okay. So that is it. Give me your thoughts. And as always, trade different.